Good morning. Jason Rains, your KC seller, here with Remax Elite Realtors coming at you with another weekly Wednesday update. I received a great response from last week's weekly Wednesday update, so appreciate all of you who watched the video. I also received quite a few messages via PM on people wanting me to give an update about Blue Springs. So that's what we're going to focus on this week is Blue Springs. I would love to answer your questions. So if you have them, make sure you drop them down in the comments below or send me a PM. Okay, so Blue Springs. Here's the numbers as of this morning at February 27th at 5 a.m. I'm going to focus on single family homes again this week. Under $200,000 in Blue Springs, there is 11 houses for sale. So that's it. It's the exact same number as Lee Summit was last week. Between 200,000 and 300,000, there is 42 homes for sale. That's actually one less than Lee Summit was last week. And then over $300,000 homes, there are only 88 homes for sale in Blue Springs that are over 300,000. That is way less than Lee Summit was last week. So understanding these numbers though, so just like Lee Summit, under $200,000, there is almost no inventory available. Very, very few homes on the market for sale. I expect this number to increase over the next 30 to 60 days though, as the warmer weather comes in, more people start thinking about selling their homes. Now, what that means for you though is if you've been thinking about selling your home and it's under $200,000, right now is the time to do it. Don't wait until the warm weather comes. Do it right now. The closing is probably not going to be for 30 or 45 days anyway. So the warmer weather will be here and you will beat all the other competition from everyone else who is thinking of waiting 30 to 60 days like you are. So right now is the time. So give me a call and we can go over what that looks like for you, okay? Over $300,000, excuse me, there's still not a lot of inventory. Lee Summit actually has 3 times the number of inventory over $300,000 that Blue Springs does. So just like that under 300,000 group, guys, right now is the time. Do not wait. Inventory is going to go up over the next 30 to 60 days. Exact same situation. You want to beat your competition right now by going ahead and listing and getting it on the market before everyone else who's planning on waiting for spring. So again, give me a call. We can go over how to make that happen, okay? Overall, in Blue Springs, there is only 141 homes for sale. That's as of 5 o'clock this morning, okay? So with that being said, again, guys, if you're thinking about selling your home, regardless of the price range, I strongly encourage you to get it on the market now versus waiting 30 to 60 days from now, okay? It's going to greatly increase your chance of getting top dollar for your home. If you're trying to buy a home in Blue Springs right now, not much inventory out there. You may have seen all that there's to see or all that you're interested in. Just know that as spring comes, more houses will be coming on the market and your available options will increase. So so far in February, a total of 30 homes have sold in Blue Springs. That total amount was for $6,316,736. The least expensive being $60,500. The most expensive being $384,737, which brings the average home in Lee Summit for February. Correction, sorry about that. The average home in Blue Springs for February selling for $210,558. So hopefully that you guys have found the information on Blue Springs to be helpful. If you are wanting a specific neighborhood, make sure to drop it down below or shoot me a PM, or you have a simple question, maybe just how much is your home worth in this market. I walked around to a bunch of homes in Lee Summit yesterday. These were villas, talking with homeowners, talked to about 24 homeowners yesterday, and very few of them had any real knowledge of what their home was actually worth. And these were homes that were between $250,000 and $300,000, sometimes a little bit more. and most of these people lived there for 10 to 12 years, and they had absolutely no idea their house was worth that much. So if you're curious on what your house is worth, just reach out. I'll be happy to run the report for you and give you that information. So until next time, I hope you have an awesome day, and God bless. We'll see you.